Struggling to find Wise's affiliate program? It's hidden in your account settings. I'll show you exactly where to click. So you've heard that Wise has an affiliate program, and you're ready to start earning commissions by sending people their way. But you've clicked around their website, maybe searched Google a few times, and you just can't seem to find the sign-up page. It feels like it should be obvious, but it's not. Don't worry, that's a super common frustration. The trick is, it's not out in the open on their homepage. It's tucked away inside your own account settings. And I've been right where you are, digging through the menus until I finally found it. So let me walk you through it. First, log into your Wise account. Then follow these 3 simple steps to unlock the partnership options. Now, let's get into it. Start by logging into your Wise account like you normally would. This is the account you use to send money or hold balances. And here's the really important part, the thing that makes this whole process work. The affiliate program isn't advertised on the main website for everyone to see. It's a feature they offer to their existing customers, so you need to be logged in first. That's the key that unlocks the door. All right, once you're logged in, we're going to start with your profile icon. Look up to the very top right corner of the page. You'll see your initials or your profile picture in a little circle. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with a few different options. This is your personal account menu, and this is where a lot of the account management tools live. I've spent a good amount of time clicking through these menus to see what's available, so trust me, we're on the right track. So now that we've got that menu open, let's move on to the next step. From that drop-down list, you want to find and click on the option that says Referrals. Not settings, not account details, specifically referrals. This is where Wise manages everything related to getting people to use the service. And when you click into it, you'll land on their Referral Hub. This page might look pretty straightforward at first, just showing you your personal referral link that you can share with friends. Most people stop here and think that's all there is. But we are looking for the bigger opportunity, the affiliate program. And this is the step where you unlock the actual affiliate options. On that referrals page, look for a button or a link that says Explore Partnerships. It might be a little button off to the side or near the bottom of the section. Click on that. And this is where the magic happens. This will open up the partnership options that Wise offers to their active users. It might take a moment to load the new page because it's pulling up the terms and the available commission structures. Now, pay close attention to this one. Once you click Explore Partnerships, you'll be taken to a dedicated partnership portal. You might have to fill out a quick application form, or you might just see the terms and conditions right there. The exact offer can vary based on your account and your location, but by following these steps, you have successfully found the hidden gateway. You've gone from being completely lost to knowing exactly where the Wise affiliate program lives. And that's it. You are now in the right place to either apply or start promoting. It's a few clicks when you know where to look, but it's completely hidden if you don't. So now you know. Go ahead and get signed up and start earning.